Today is going to be a very exciting day. After 5 months of working on this house, and after, oh my goodness, almost a year and a half of living in my basement, the kids are finally moving into the house. Big day.
Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story. Okay, this one's going to be a little nostalgic, so bear with me.
This is her, huh? This is Julie.
Julie was the first person to call me Daddy. She was the first to walk, the first to go to school, the first to be a big sister, the first teenager in the house, the first to drive, the first to go to college, the first to move out, the first to get engaged, and the first to buy a house. But their renovation was like deja vu for me because we have tons of memories of our parents and friends helping us move in and renovate our house 22 years ago. Where are we, Beck?
At our new house.
Yeah? We're doing it again!
Yeah, we're building a new house.
We bought another old house. How do you like that?
Gotta stop looking at that damn TV show.
This is like deja vu, isn't it?
This old house.
They want this bad?
2 hours after the moving truck leaves, we started filling the dumpster.
I don't think the dumpster's big enough.
He doesn't think the dumpster's big enough.
Joe waited 4 months to do this.
That's right. Joe despises this paneling.
Flash the wall and ask the crowd why.
Yeah, well. But back to Julie and Josh's house. Let me refresh your memory. This was a foreclosure, an as-is sale. The realtor and lawyer both advised them to walk away from this house. But they said, no, we got this, and they bought it anyway. I'm so proud of how everyone pitched in to help, weekend after weekend. It was a lot of work, and there's a lot more to be done. But we finally got it to a livable state where they can move in. There is some irony in this situation. Because one of my very popular videos is actually how to install a ceiling fan in a rental. And I filmed it in Florida when I moved Julie into an apartment. And I installed that very same ceiling fan in her apartment. This is a really great bulb for a work zone, but it's actually going back in the garage where it's supposed to be. The point of the video was actually to remember how you put it up so you could take it down when you move. Lo and behold, we brought it to New Jersey, and this is going to be its permanent installation. Do you believe you're moving furniture up?
Oh my goodness.
When Julie moved to Florida in 2015, I made this Bedbridge bookcase for her out of IKEA cabinets. It was another one of my hacks. Not nearly as popular as the platform bed, but still, it's a good video. And today it's come full circle back to her house.
Can I just talk about a little irony? Is that this unit came from Fremont?
I know. All the way to Florida.
And we drove it down to Florida.
And moved multiple
And how many times did you move a shop?
3.
And now it's back.
Yep.
It's back where it started.
Freehold.
And Josh is like, and it's never moving again.
So it went from a couple miles away to 1,200 miles away, and then back to her home, where, you know, someday my grandkids are gonna live in this room. You know, it could be a granddaughter or a grandson sleeping in this bed with that bed bridge bookcase. It's just perfect. It's my legacy. Hammer. Since fixing the tub leak in last week's video, now my job is to hang up the shower bar so they can actually use the shower. The whole thing spins in the wall. I can't win. I can't win. Good. Come on. Get in there. Why? Oh, why? Oh, why? Oh, there we go. Yes. Ooh, what do we got going on here? The dryer. Yeah, I gotta go turn the breaker on for that though.
But it doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
It's a 3-pound, not a 4.
Oh no.
Either swap that or
Yeah.
they make adapters. Put them at the firehouse, little pigtails.
Gotta figure it out.
Stoves. Something like that.
All right, you're an official homeowner in New Jersey, man.
Now you have a grill. Now you can move in.
Yeah, hot
Move
dogs
in
for
ready.
lunch.
Hot dogs for breakfast. Everything on the grill. There you go.
Turn it on and light it up. Don't worry,
Smell
folks.
it?
He's a
No.
fireman.
Do you smell the propane?
No, I don't smell or hear anything.
It was super light, so I don't know if there's
I was
any in
gonna
it.
say, it felt light.
All right, well. Wah, wah,
2 another
wah.
day.
Yeah,
Oh well, such a letdown.
it's okay.
Take the boy out of North Carolina, but you can't take the North Carolina out of the boy.
I know it's Super Bowl stuff.
That's right.
Yeah, it's super good stuff.
I think I gotta go down the hallway and then you go in. Judge.
Sorry. Well,
All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. There we go.
It looked like
Right? Isn't that what you said? Perfect. Yeah. And I think we actually turned it so that works. Because I think we were sleeping that way at first. So. Woo!
let's turn back time and see where we started when they first bought the house. The living room was 2 shades of brown, with a dated railing and multiple kinds of flooring. Now it has new hardwood flooring, an updated railing. It's painted sea salt with new trim, window treatments, and a new ceiling fan. We still intend to wall mount the TV, but otherwise this room is done. The dining room was originally 2 shades of blue, separated by a chair rail with an ugly light and orange hardwood floor. Now it has that same gorgeous floor as the living room. It was painted a slightly darker shade than sea salt, and we modernized the light fixture. The dining room set was upcycled from my mother. It used to be green, but they sprayed it with black chalk paint, and it looks awesome. We installed a 1x6 baseboard here because Julie eventually wants to do box wainscoting in the dining room. Here's a quick look at the master bedroom before and after. It now has the same flooring, new trim, and two-tone paint. But of course, the heart of the home is the kitchen, which originally had a ceiling fan and the same orange hardwood floor as the dining room. Now it has new hardwood floor, all new lighting, and we repositioned the island to be more usable and inclusive for seating. It originally had a pantry that would only allow a small fridge. So we tore it out and replaced it with a pantry cabinet and a drawer base with gray quartz countertop that gave them space for a coffee bar. We replaced all the appliances, the outlets, the faucet, and the garbage disposal too. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.